Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving deep into finding purpose and keeping life simple while balancing a day job and a side hustle. Life can get complicated, but it doesn't have to be. We all crave meaning in what we do. When juggling a day job and a side hustle, it's easy to lose sight of why we started. The key is to focus on what truly matters and let go all the unnecessary. In this video, I'm sharing with you 5 keys to unlock simplicity and rich fulfillment. If you are new to this channel, I'm David. I spent over 20 years in the world of finance, including a decade here in Hong Kong, and I've built a successful business generating over $1 million in revenue, but I failed with 2 startups. So I'm here to share my insights on personal finance, business growth, and self-development. Start by asking yourself, does this align with my core values? Your side hustle should reflect what you genuinely care about. This alignment brings authenticity and fulfillment. Take time to write down your values, reflect on how each aspect of your life aligns with them. Balancing work and personal life is really crucial. Don't let the hustle consume you. Set clear boundaries between work and personal time. Schedule regular moments to disconnect and recharge. And more importantly, make time for family, friends, and self-care. Remember, relationships and health are irreplaceable. We discussed that in the other videos. Enjoy the process, not just the destination. Celebrate small victories and learn from your setbacks. Each step is part of your growth, and embracing this journey enriches your experience. Keep a journal to track your progress and reflect on what you've learned along the way. Your well-being is non-negotiable. Both physical and mental health should always come first. A healthy body and mind are essential to sustain productivity and happiness. Incorporate daily habits like exercise, meditation, or simply taking a walk to clear your mind. In your side hustle, aim for impact over complexity. Focus on what truly makes a difference. Streamlining your efforts can lead to greater satisfaction and success. Consider what tasks are essential and which one can be delegated or just eliminated. Now that you have a better idea of the 5 keys to keep it simple, I would like to remind you a few things. There are 4 dimensions I always consider when looking to simplify things around me. Simplifying doesn't mean giving up. Find joy in the little things and let go what doesn't serve you. Declutter not just your physical space but also your mental space. Reflect on what truly matters to you. How can you integrate simplicity in your life? Start by making small changes that align with values and enhance your well-being. Consider creating something like a vision board to visualize your goals and keep you focused on what's important. Surround yourself with people who understand and support your journey. Share your goals with them and seek their encouragement. A strong support network can provide motivation and accountability. Practice mindfulness to stay grounded. Being present in each moment can enhance your appreciation for the simple things. Try techniques like deep breathing, mindful eating, or simply pausing to notice your surroundings. I have something important to tell you. If you are looking to improve your focus and concentration at work, I invite you to join my free e-learning course, Healthy Habits, to help you stay focused. And in this e-learning, we are going to explore something that's essential for success in the workplace, the ability to stay focused and on task. If being able to maintain your concentration is a super important skill, no matter what kind of work you do, whether you are crushing numbers, writing reports or working on a big project, you need to be able to zone in and give it your full attention. It also includes my free time management matrix Excel tool. Now really you can take control of your priorities. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. How do you maintain simplicity and purpose in your life? Share in the comments below. Your journey could inspire others. Let's build a community where we support and learn from one another. Some final thoughts I want to share with you. First, thank you for joining me in this journey. Remember, The path to a fulfilling life is often simpler than we think. Embrace simplicity, stay true to your purpose, and cherish the moments that truly matters. See you in the next video. Let's continue to grow and explore things together.